Hi, I'm Alana from Bathware Direct. We know that renovating can be kind of going into the unknown. Renovating bathrooms is our area of expertise, so today we're going to go through a 7-step process for what gets installed and when it gets installed in your bathroom renovation. Step 1, we've got rough-in. This is what goes behind the plaster. So you've got the toilet suite. If you've got an in-wall cistern, this needs to go in. If you've got tapware that goes on the wall, the body of that tapware will be going behind the wall. And so we get those items first and we'll put those in before we put the plaster and the tiling in. Step 2 will be the shower base and underfloor heating preparation. If you're looking to put the shower base underneath the floor and then tile over the top of it, we want to put that in on the joists, and then the underfloor mat for the heating goes in underneath the tiles. Step 3, if you're installing a standard shower base instead of a tiled shower base, this is when that shower base would go in. Step 4, niches for shower and bath. These are tiled over, so obviously they go in before the tiling. Step 5, if you're having an inset bath over a freestanding bath, we need to deal with the frame. So the frame needs to be made to fit the inset bath, and then we get to do the plaster and tiling for the whole bathroom. Step 6 is any floor grates, shower grates, and also depending on the state that you're in Australia, it might mean that you have to have a floor grate on the inside of the bathroom. Once the floor grate's in, we get to step 7, which is the final fixtures and accessories. We get to do vanities, taps, toilet suites, shower heads, all the fun things get to be installed at this stage, which will finalise the process of the 7 steps. Now we've got a fully renovated bathroom. Of course, we understand that renovating a bathroom is more than 7 simple steps. With decades of experience, we can help you with anything. Contact us at Bathware Direct and we will be able to walk you through anything you need with your bathroom renovation.